Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a tea, party bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fait un moteur chocolate, fine fine oh baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more motor, your body chocolate, bush it in imade, double zile kilo fait.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3, 4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me it.
Stanley, Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it. Novocaine, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone, love me now. Love me now, love me now. Numb. Novocaine. Numb the pain. Novocaine. Oh, for the pain. Novocaine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently getting ready to go to a baby shower, and I'm like, you know what, let me unbox these packages. So I'm gonna be unboxing, I don't know what this is. I be ordering stuff and I forget, and it's been months since I ordered it, so I'm gonna just open it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what's in here. It says 8.2 pounds. Oh, these are boxes. I'm thinking this is something. These are treat boxes, y'all. I'm gonna be unboxing the Cult of Coquette. I think that's the name. These, like, they look like Cinderella shoes. I ordered this back. It's hot in here. I don't want to put the AC on and then y'all can't hear me. So I ordered this back in, like, I think March. We're in July. So I'm getting ready to, well, no, it's not July. Today is June 29th. So I ordered these back then, and yeah, I had to get them. They were like, they're like must-haves. So alright, you guys, so let's get into this unboxing. I'm getting ready for baby shower, so don't judge me. I don't got no lashes, nothing. So yeah, I'm in my natural state right now. So I just got my nails done, so I'm feeling myself. Ooh, this box is light. This is coming from Arizona. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at this box. So this is my order. Oh, it's so hot. I don't think I'm wearing any makeup today. Let me show y'all how the box looks. The box is giving, y'all. It is giving. Oh, I love this. So let me show y'all. This is really cute. This is nice. And this is where they have the style of the shoe. Goldie. This one is in a 120 mm clear, size 8.5. Now they actually, after I got these, they ended up making a shorter version, which I was really upset because these shoes is not cheap. So let me show y'all how it looks. Alright, so let's put this to the side. And oh my gosh, I'm so hot. I just did my hair. Alrighty, so I'm gonna show y'all my initial reaction on camera. Oh, okay. Wow, packaging, okay. Packaging is okay. So it says Cult of Coquette. I don't know if it's Coquette. I really don't know. And it's like when you speak different, you know, I do speak Spanish. It's not, I don't know how to pronounce some of these words. But it says, I launched Cult of Coquette to fill the void in a market that leaves too few options for the woman who is both socially conscious and stylish by only using vegan, cruelty-free materials, working with an ethically driven, female-owned manufacturer, and offering contemporary styles. I'm confident we can inspire more people to choose fashion that merges chic designs with social values. XX BB Roxana. Okay, all right, BB. This is so cute. This is given. You guys can't really see, but it comes with this card. Well, I don't want to block her face, but this is how it comes. All right, yeah. And this is the packaging. Can't really see because it's dark, but alright, so it comes with a dust bag. Cute satin dust bag. It says Cult of Coquette on it. And now to get into, ooh, these shoes look small. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm a little nervous. I seen them on Instagram, and what caught my eye was the fact that they were vegan cruelty made. Oh my gosh. These are literally Cinderella shoes. Like I said, I call them Cinderella shoes. These are bomb. Oh my god, look. Let me get a close-up for y'all. Hold on. So look at the bottom of the shoe. It says 8.5. These literally look like Cinderella shoes. These are, well, these are steep. This is right. Beauty is pain. It says, oh my goodness. I can't wait to try them on for y'all. Let me get out the other pair for y'all. I love the packaging. Packaging is definitely a 10 out of 10. Look at this. Beautiful. Let me get some pictures for y'all with the box. So yeah, it comes like this. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. Okay, so I took this out of the shoe, and now I'm gonna try them on. Goodness, these are beautiful. Oh, it got like a little, it got like gold. Oh, it's like a silver. It's like a mirror. I gotta show y'all these. Let me show you from a different angle. Yeah, these are given. These are given chandelier.
Okay, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lucky, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Yeah, these are. These are super high. All right, you guys, so my honest opinion, I'm gonna give you my honest review, my honest opinion for these beautiful babies. Honestly speaking, even though they're a bit painful to walk in, these are a 10 out of 10. Now, why? The material is like, is given, like, it's just so, you could tell this is, I don't know if it's handcrafted, but just these little chandelier things is like, and even though I could barely walk in them, I could walk in them, they just, you know, you feel it when you walk. But beauty is pain, like they say. I would honestly give these a 10 out of 10. These are a statement piece. Like, look, beautiful. I need to get me a cute little silver bag. That's, well, I have a Telfar silver bag, but it's a medium. I need to get me a nice little silver bag to like a chandelier looking bag or something, so I could kill these, because, honey, these are beautiful. Like, they're really worth it. I'm gonna insert the price for y'all, but look at that. Beautiful. It's a little dark on this side, but let me see if I could, yeah. Look at that. Like, oh my gosh. I want to show y'all up close so y'all can see. Like, they're really beautiful. I would really recommend them. If you're not much of a heel person, I would definitely recommend you go a size down, because now they have a smaller size, which I wish I would have, you know, had the opportunity of getting before getting these, because I knew when I saw 120, I'm like, yeah, I honestly love them. If you are a fashionista like me, they are a statement piece, so I would definitely recommend getting them. And they sell out a lot as well, so that's another reason why I ended up getting it, because I believe I went on like a waiting list or something like that. And then when I did get the notification, they did say it was available for pre-order. So yeah, it was worth the wait. I honestly feel like these are bomb. I can't wait to wear them and show y'all how I'm gonna slay in them, because yeah, I'm gonna slay in these. But yeah, so that is the end of today's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed my newest addition to my wardrobe. Don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, share it, subscribe please. I'm trying to hit my goal of 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your love, for commenting. I love the fact that I've literally like connected with so many people, especially from my breast reduction journey. So yeah, if you haven't seen that, please head over to that, because yes, I did get a breast reduction. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
under you, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment?